So, hello guys. In today's video, we're going to be seeing about a software construction tool that is Replit. So, Replit is an online software construction tool, an online IDE platform where a small to medium level projects can be developed. So, let's look into it without any further delay. So as I said, it is an online IDE platform. It can be accessed from any browser, let it be Chrome, Brave, or Firefox, or Bing, whatever. It supports multiple languages like Python, Java, C, C++, C Sharp, etc. And it has a feature of collaborative coding, that is like multiple team members can work on a single project. So it is a very useful tool, very useful feature, and it can also be used as an educational tool. For example, the teacher can share the link of the project and multiple users can work on it, multiple students can work on it. And let us look into the key features of Replit. As I told about real-time collaboration, that is multiple team members can work on the project, and built-in version control, that is very helpful. You can save the versions like version 1, version 2. If there is minor changes, you can save it as version 1.1, etc. And multilingual support, as I told, it supports over 50 programming languages like Python, C, C++, Java, HTML, Ruby, etc. And it also has integrated debugging tool. It uses AI to actually have this debugging. It does debugging step by step. AI is used, so it is a very enhanced feature, very good one. So let's get further. Like I'll give you a hands-on training on how to create your first project. There are only just 4 steps. It's very simple, nothing so complex. First is account setup, like going to the website replit.com, and then you can create your account, login or sign up, and then you can initiate your project by clicking on the option called as create REPL. And after that, you can select which programming language you want to code in, for example, Java or Python or C, C++ or anything, and you can right away start coding. So let me show you how it is done. So I'll go to Brave browser, okay, and then log in. This is replit.com, as I told you. And I'll continue with Google. I'll use my college account. You can use any account, whichever is convenient in your convenience. So yeah, it's done. And now let me show you how to create a REPL. So that is create REPL, that is creating a project. In Replit, it's called REPL for project, short. Yeah, and then you can select which programming language you want, Python. Okay, I'll just select Python for sample. And you can name your project like sample. That's it. And if you create REPL, it will create it automatically. Since it is a free trial, you get only 3 REPL. Okay, but once you upgrade to premium version, you can get many REPLs. It used to have more REPLs, but nowadays it has reduced. I'll show you a previously created project by me. This is my project which I did. It is a game. It is nothing, very simple Tom and Jerry game. Network is slow. Let me refresh it. Yeah. So let me full maximize the output screen. So this is a normal code which I did for Tom and Jerry game. So let me just play the game. So this is the output. It is just a Java Swing project, which is very simple. So this way you can code in Replit very simply. Actually, multiple team members worked on this code, and I was able to develop this code. Like 3 members worked on this code collaboratively. We did this code. So yeah, let me shut this down. Okay. So yeah, now let us go get back to the presentation. Yeah, as I said, we created our first project. That's very simple. And now let's look into how to collaborate, live collaboration. How can it be done? So it is very simple. There is an option called as invite in there. If you want, you can invite the team members and work on it. And you can also use this platform, you can use this as a workspace to make the changes. Like each and every team member will be updated, like what changes are being made, everything. Code improvement, what can be done further, everything will be done easily. So here is an invite option. If you want, you can invite anyone you want. For example, I search my other account username. Uh, so yeah, if I invite this, it will get automatically invited. But I don't want it, so let's just skip that. Okay. Then next is about version control. So version control, of course, you can control the versions like version 1, version 2. If you want, you can have create backups. You can connect to GitHub. So connecting to GitHub is actually very useful. You can commit your changes. You can pull requests. You can roll back changes, everything. So let me show you how to connect with GitHub. Go to home and then import from GitHub. Click on that. There's an option called as connect your GitHub account. So if you click on that, it will go to your GitHub account and then install and authorize. So automatically you got your GitHub account. If you want, you can import the project from GitHub. And if you make any changes here, it will automatically be updated in GitHub too. So that's how we can do version control and connect to GitHub, etc. And now let's move on further with debugging. So debugging is very easy in Replit. You can debug with the AI or tool, which is their inbuilt tool in Replit itself. So let me show you how to do debugging here. So let me go back again to the Tom and Jerry code itself. And yeah. So let me click here and then AI. There's an option called as AI here. And see here it's written debug find bugs in main.java. So if you click on that automatically, if you want, you can just ask it, ask the AI model, and it will automatically find what bug is there. It says some bugs are there. So I can rectify it accordingly. So now setting up breakpoints, like it is very helpful for setup, code execution, etc. Okay. Next, it is variable inspection and controlling execution flow. You can inspect what variable you want, and you can inspect further everything. And now deployment and sharing your project. Deployment is very simple. You can just, there is an option called as deploy. If you click on that option deploy, it will automatically deploy the project, and then you can share the link to public, or you can keep it private. And sharing, you can share the project with your faculty or anyone you want. There is an option called deploy here. So that's it. If you want, you can from deploy from here too. There is an option here, deploy your project. You can make the link private. That's it. And next, that's it, guys. So I hope you understood the video, and the benefits of educator and developers are like of course, like you can share the link with your faculties in teams. If, for example, you are doing a project in your college or school, you can share the project link. You can also tell you have published it, you have deployed it. You can get live feedbacks and reviews and everything from the online global website itself. It will be globally visible to everyone. So it is a very good website. It is a very good platform for educators and developers too. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope everyone will be using Replit for any project you want. Like, of course, it is a paid version now. It used to be free, but now they have made it paid. But it is good. You can use 3 REPLs in minimum, so that is a good one. You can just try it out if it's good or not. If you want to go for alternatives, there are alternatives like Code Sandbox and etc. So thank you, guys. I hope you liked the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.